Hi, Red Roasters coming, Gyotak Station Park. Today is August 27, Friday. This is bilingual YouTuber Fumio Takano. Today also I would like to inform you very important communication technique. Yeah. Today's theme is facilitator should be in a birds, yeah. Birds. Facilitator は鳥になれ。Yeah, controller or manager of a meeting. Of course, in this time, Zoom meeting also, facilitator should be fly up all over the audience and taking a look at every audience condition. Yeah. If a person cannot speak, a person who don't like to involved in that meeting in such a time, taking question to her, please speak out. Do you have any opinion? Yeah, by doing some question and involved in, yeah, such a giving question is in Japanese word to, yeah, pour the water, 水を向ける. You see? 水を向ける。Yeah, involved in the every people. Yeah, such a objectives of facilitator. Yeah, some facilitator misunderstood. Yeah, okay. Speaking, and saying his own opinion, such a grade 3, grade 2 facilitator. 2、3流のファシリテーター。First grade facilitator, yeah, excellent facilitator should be in Japanese and Zen word, 無になれ、空気になれ、無になれ, yeah, by being a vacant man, 無, nothing, okay? And taking a look at all people's condition and involve all of the people into the meeting and orientate every people to take up to the goal. That's the facilitator. Okay, if facilitator should have some opinion, in such a time, please be given the allowance to the audience by doing that. I'm a facilitator today, but I have no opinion. Would you take a look at me, my speaking? Yeah, in such a time, after getting an allow, yeah, facilitator should speak. Yeah, but basically, facilitator should be not speaker. Always should be the controller or person who will orientate every people. Okay. I say, today, what is the first grade facilitator? Thank you!